Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create this nut part for the screw jack. So this is a simpler profile so that we can create it by using the revolve itself. Same as previous part creation, already I have one Assy system. Just I am going to draw one reference line for the overall dimension. Changing this one as a reference line. So the total height they have given 45 mm. So this will help us to keep our part in zoomed condition, maximum level. So first I am going to create this wall. So from total 45, so from here to here 10, this profile is 10, then remaining is 25 mm. Thickness here it is 50. Thickness they have not given. We will take same as this thickness 10 mm. So internal thread they have mentioned internal thread dimension is 38 into 7, diameter is 38. So here we have this is square thread. We are not going to create this thread in our part. So first we will create this 25 height, diameter is 50. Diameter is 50, so radius is 25. This height is 25. And then we have one this height is 10 mm, this width is 90 dia, so this is 45. So here they have mentioned the internal dia also. So diameter of this thread they have mentioned it is 38, so outer dia is 50. So our wall thickness is 38 divided by 2. So this is our wall thickness 6 mm. So here we have the radius of 5 mm. So this one we can give after creating the part by adding the fillets. So now I am going to do the remark. So now we can add the fillet for 5 mm. So net profile was created. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.